G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. I'm out with Barry and Andy today. We are heading to Avoca for a pie. Currently riding through Enfield. It is a cold day. Been a very hot, dry week. Today we're looking at the top of 18 degrees. Not sure exactly what Andy's got installed for us, so I'm just at the back following along. We're just consulting the map here. Left, right, straight. I've got no idea. We're still in Enfield, I think. Barry's got the new exhaust on the CF Moto. AliExpress special. Sounds alright. Yeah, nice. Bit more bark. It's not too loud. Actually thought it'd be louder. I think he's got the baffle in it. A rocky section and a dusty section. Bit of grass, a little bit of everything going on here. Ooh, down the first. Far out, look at these rocks. Whoa. Getting rough. Coming out into the open. I think we're at the top of the hill. Far out, man. What a track. Where'd I go? That way? Yep, I can just see Barry. Wow. Righto, just leaving Ben Major lookout, I think it was. It's Mount Cole. I can see the Ben Nevis lookout, or the fire tower, whatever it's called, up there. He's got the high guard on the CF Moto too. It looks heaps better. It's leaving the Mount Lonarch fire tower. Yeah, I think he was looking for a cemetery. It's in here somewhere. We're on cemetery track, that's a good start. Nice camp chair there in the middle of nowhere. Mountain Hut Pioneer Cemetery. Yeah, I don't like how small these graves are. Track's getting a bit more serious and we've got a few jumps. Okay, we got 9.79 litres, 214 kilometres. So that would be under 5 litres per 100 k's, wouldn't it? Just leaving Avoca, had a buffalo pie, not the best pie I've ever eaten. I've had their crock pie and their, the other one, the emu. They're quite nice, but yeah, oh, those fussed on the buffalo. So we're heading to Clunes from Avoca. I've taken the lead, we're going to do a bit of off-roading. Most direct route takes half an hour, my route's going to take about an hour. We're going to turn onto Strawberry Track, which is on our right here somewhere. Where are you? Oh, there. That must be it there. That wind's picked up. Yeah, it's a fun track. Only done it a couple of times. I only have it from the other way too. I don't know, it's saying to turn left just there, I'm guessing. So can we get through here? Oh, a bit of a hill here. There you go, back. That's not the way I normally go. I don't like the look of it. Yeah, that didn't look very good. Yeah. I don't know where the truck went. Don't know. See if I can get back on it. That's where we come from. Maybe it is that way. Yeah, it is too. That's it, that's the one. That's the track. Yeah, it looked like it was just going into farmland, but it's actually a track through here. Been through here a few times. Man, that wind's getting strong. Righto, we're going to turn up Cararalup track. It's just here somewhere. Just here. Good. Just take it nice and steady past the house. Yeah, I think I missed a few tracks back there, but never mind. Yeah, it looks different when you do it from the opposite direction. Alright. Sign out here, it's been a fantastic day out. Great to find some new places that I haven't been before. Thanks a lot to Andy for leading the way. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I shall see you next time. Man, that wind's got bad.